Toilet-training toddlers and young children are the highest risk group when it comes to accidental fecal leaks. That's why Splashabout created the Splash Jammers. The most reliable infant swim pant in the world, these leak-proof pants ensure a clean swimming experience for all and are approved in swim schools. Designed by the makers of the Happy Nappy, Splash Jammers protect even the most active toddlers through their unique design. The Splash Jammers are made from super soft-lined, waterproof neoprene. They have high-rise molded back panels to cup and fit toddler's bottom, secured with a form-fitting gusset to provide an ergonomic shape that moves as the child moves. Medical-grade, gentle silicone provides a secure, snug and comfortable seal at the legs, and the specialist fabric at the waist provides the same leak-free security. The jammer should be fully pulled up over tummies to ensure any undernappy is fully covered and the seal is intact. A little rolling down of the fabric can occur, but this simply serves to strengthen the seal. The legs should fit securely with no gaping. Splash Jammers from Splashabout provide a more grown-up style of leak protection, giving parents and other swimmers complete peace of mind. Splashabout, changing the world one bottom at a time.